Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve front-end performance with Google Lighthouse, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Google Chrome and navigate to the website you want to analyze. Once the site is loaded, right-click anywhere on the page. Select Inspect from the context menu that appears. This will open the Chrome Developer Tools window. Next, locate the Lighthouse tab at the top of the Developer Tools. Click on the Lighthouse tab to reveal the options for the audit. You can select the type of device you want to simulate. Choose between mobile or desktop based on your target audience. Now, decide which categories you want to audit. The options include performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO, and progressive web app. For front-end performance, ensure the performance box is checked. After making your selections, click the Generate Report button. Wait for Lighthouse to run the audit. This may take a few moments. Once the audit is complete, you will see a detailed report. Review the performance score at the top of the report. A score of 90 or above is considered good. Scroll down to find specific metrics such as first contentful paint and time to interactive. These metrics provide insights into how quickly your website loads. Pay special attention to the Opportunities section. This section offers actionable suggestions to improve performance. Clicking on each opportunity will expand further details. Implement the recommended changes one by one on your website. After making changes, rerun the Lighthouse audit to measure improvements. Repeat this process until you achieve your desired performance score. Finally, consider setting up periodic audits to ensure ongoing optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more steps.